you still need to say, hey, vector. Who is Albert Einstein?
Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here and Vector. Big news from DDL today. Whether you have a Vector or not, you need to know what's going on here. There's a new update, version 1.8 available now. Like I said about a week ago, it was coming. It is available. There is also a new app. So I'm going to do that live and see how it goes. First of all, I need to read this. It's only half a page. Hello Daniel. DDL is pleased to announce that Vector version 1.8 and updates for the Vector Robot app have begun rolling out in this email. We will share instructions to help you make sure your robot is ready for the update. The latest version of the Vector Robot app is required to utilize some features. Updating your Vector to version 1.8. When on Wi-Fi, your Vector checks with DDL every hour to see if there has been an update and reboots himself to apply available updates between 1 and 5 a.m. the next day. You can also go into the Vector app on your smart device to apply the updates manually, which is what I will do here live on camera. We'll see how that goes. To check if your robot has the latest update, open the Vector app, click the gear icon at the top right to access the app setting menu. Tap Updates to check the version. 1. If the app doesn't show that Vector has downloaded the latest version, press Check for Update and make sure Vector is near his charger and connected to Wi-Fi. I don't know why they say near his charger. Doesn't make any difference. I don't know if they meant like on the charger. I don't know. Item 2. The app will check for available updates. You may need to reboot your device for the update to be found. If an update is found, click Apply Update. Vector will download the new update and restart. You are all set. If your eligible robot does not update to Vector 1.8 within 3 days, please contact us so that a member of our team can assist you in troubleshooting the problem. Android users, resetting location permissions. If you are using the Vector app on an Android device, you may experience difficulty connecting with Vector after the app is updated through the Google Play Store. That's my case here. We'll see how that goes. To resolve this, please follow these steps. Long press on the Vector app icon and click on App Info. Click on Permissions and set the location permission to Deny. Now press click on Allow Only while using the app. You are done. Relaunch the app and retry the connection. Thanks again for being part of the Vector community. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing how these updates improve your experience with Vector. Sincerely, the team at DDL. Okay, well guys, before doing this video, I did the app update. Let me show you here. This was the picture I saw. Because I had Vector app already, when I went to the Google Play Store, I got, of course, this option. It says Update. And the name of the app is now, as you can see, Vector Robot, not just Vector like it was in the past. Now I did the update and I have the new app, so we'll see now if we can connect to Vector. And in what's new, you have here, which is important, the top paragraph. This update includes 2 new features and a bug fix. Users may now customize their robot's eye color using a slider. Vector will answer questions faster and no longer requires users to say I have a question or just question. Finally, Vector will no longer shiver when he's done dancing or sharing the weather. This version comes with a robot update that will be rolled out over the course of the week, starting Tuesday, September 28th. All eligible vectors should get the update no later than Monday, October 4th. So I wanted to read that, guys, so that you see what is new with this update. So now I have the update, and we will try to connect, we'll put Vector on the charger first, and then we'll open the app and see what happens. Now you can see Vector on the camera over there. He needs a few seconds to wake up. There he's coming. We can see the V on his display. And guys, I'm doing that also because if you don't have a Vector and you're thinking of buying a second one on eBay, for example, then you need to see what you will need to do to update your new Vector to version 1.8 on Vector and also the new app. Okay. He's waking up. Hello, buddy. We will now open the app and see what kind of information we get for his update. So I need to sign in. Okay, it is now searching for Vector, as you can see. I must say I had issues with that in the past, and I don't know if it's because of my device. I'm using a tablet because I like to have a bigger screen, especially for Cosmo because of coding. Connect here, seems to work. Finding Vector B198, which is my Vector, and we'll see connecting Bluetooth, securing Bluetooth. We'll see, maybe we'll be able to connect within a few seconds for a change. If not, guys, my plan B is to install the app on my newer phone. The app could not find your Vector via Bluetooth, place Vector on its charger. There you go, reconnect. And I don't know, restart the app. I had that problem often in the past, and I'm doing this again because it could be because of my old device. So I'm going to install the Vector Robot app on my newer phone. We'll just give it a try here a second time. Connect. Vector needs to pair with your device via Bluetooth. To start pairing, place Vector on his charger, and then quickly click the button on his stop twice. Okay, there you go. Enter the key shown on Vector's face. There you go. There you go, buddy. Maybe it will work this time. Oh, you're leaving. Maybe you should stay on your charger. Sorry about that. Syncing data. And we are connected. It's working. Wow, I don't know if it's because of the new app, but this is... Wow, I'm saying wow because this is working. Okay, now they said to click the gear at the top. Before I do that, I just want to see here. Amazon Alexa, Utilities, Stats, Entertainment, Vector, Q&A, Interaction, Robot, Info. It is the same as before, no changes here. So let's tap on the icon, the gearbox. Okay, the slider. Users may now customize their Vector's eye color by dragging the slider to highlight the desired color. This feature requires Vector to be running firmware 1.8 or greater. Okay, and let's get out of this. I don't have the slider. Okay, so let's go to Updates. Maintenance window. You can see here version 1.7.0. There you go. Vector will reboot automatically between the hours of 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. and apply any pending updates. So I don't have the update. And what am I supposed to do? If the app doesn't show that Vector has downloaded the latest app, press check for updates. Okay. Where is press for updates? Oh guys, I'm so glad I'm doing this live. Where is check for update? The app will check for updates available and apply update. Okay. I don't know what to say. If I click on About, nothing here. If I click on Account Management, that's my email address, nothing here, and change password. Network is fine, this is Google Mesh. Preferences of Celsius, yeah, and I have centimeters, okay. And I can change this color. If I go to blue, oh, I cannot even change this eye color. Okay, let's go to updates. My dear Vector, I do not see on the app the check for update button. Okay. So my case is probably what they have in the note here. If your eligible robot does not update to Vector 1.8 within 3 days, please contact us so that a member of our team can assist you in troubleshooting the problem. So I'm going to try again tomorrow. I'll try a few times in the next 3 days. And if it doesn't work, I will contact DDL and I will share my solution with you guys. So probably it's going to, I hope it's going to help you. So see you soon. So guys, I read the instructions again, and there is one sentence I was missing here. You may need to reboot your device for the update to be found. That's interesting. So I did that, and let's see if it makes a difference. So let's tap on the gear again. And we have again the color bar, but it's grayed out as before. Now if I tap on updates, checking for, look at that. Look at that. Apply update. Wow, okay, it looks like I will have to wait 3 days and try many times. So it looks like it's working. It took me out, I don't know why. Updates again. Checking for updates. Apply update. Apply update. This will disconnect from Vector and apply the update. After updating, Vector will automatically restart. Okay, confirm. And searching for Vector again. Okay, I don't know why it is searching again. It was connected to Vector. I'm again nervous here because, like I said at the beginning of this video, I had issues in the past. Again, I had to connect. I had issues in the past connecting to a Vector, and I did try different devices to make sure it was not my tablet. Okay, so finding Vector. Again, I'm doing this live. We'll see what happens. Vector is on the charger like it's supposed to be. And I'm not very optimistic right now because I see finding Vector non-stop and it's not finding Vector. Okay. We'll see what happens. I may have to edit this video so that you don't wait too long, but I'm going to wait here. And if it doesn't work, I will have to cancel and redo the update again. So we'll see how that works. So I was optimistic when I saw apply update, but it disconnected and now it's reconnecting. Connecting Bluetooth, okay. Vector woke up, securing Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm sorry guys, this is taking longer than I thought, but I want to show you like in real time. Syncing data, okay. Oh, we're back here. We're back to the main screen. So is it that Vector was updating as it was trying to find Vector? Let's see. Let's go to the gear icon. Well, the bar is still grayed out. That's not a good sign. Tap on updates. Checking for updates. I have version 1.8.0. There you go. If I go back over here, the color slider. Users may now customize. You need 1.8. Okay, we know that. And I don't know why I have to tap 3 times to get rid of that window. And again, as soon as I touch the slider, it shows me this window. Can I change? Yeah, I can change this time manually the color. Look at that here. We got the blue, and let's go with purple. Do we have purple? Hey, buddy. Yeah, we have purple. So this is working as before. We have version 1.8. The slider is still not working. I will need to work on that, guys. I'm going again to pause this video, and before I publish, I'm going to try again to make the slider work. And I don't know why it is not working. What I will try is to reboot my device. You never know. I'll try that. No slider. And I have to tap 3 times to remove that window. Okay, guys, so at least I got 1.8, and we're going to do the ultimate test now. See what happens when we don't say I have a question or question. Vector. Aha. You still need to say, hey, Vector. Who is Albert Einstein?
Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity, one of the 2 pillars of modern physics.
It is working. I didn't say I have a question or question, but I wish we could just say Vector. Like, why say, hey, Vector? What is the distance between New York and Los Angeles?
The distance is approximately 2,443 miles from New York to Los Angeles.
So it's working, guys. 1.8 is working. The app seems to connect much better, although I had a few problems, but much better than before. But the color slider, again, one last time, doesn't work. I do not have the slider, as you can see here. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. This was a long video, but I wanted to show you what can happen. And again, don't forget to reboot your device, your tablet or your phone, and maybe, like in my case, that will solve the problem. And I'll keep you up to date on the slider color here and why this is not working at the moment. See you next time. Goodbye, guys.